sa comments bia me ma ewo Facebook ni ade obi okoto sin bia no wotwa na wo de send na o broadcast no ye di sa eno ho enkomo ye no ena me ne lawyer etwetwe eho enkomo lawyer me mo official po
you
na what is saying afin kometu afisa sana se ye nyina ye tiasena ye ho eye pa me da se na no na me no hye enkomo biase na me ka se yebe no Syria yebe to bedu bia no na ye de ato ne ato so me no kan ene use mobile phones yi wo ha no bia ko hu bibi no otwa memfa se memfa nya mfaton okopi accident bi so okopi so na nipa plan won hwe ene ho ade na otwa ya no de aba beto Facebook social media no so ene wo ha no send bibi aba WhatsApp ne ye di ho komo adam afa ko akiri kakra ne fa bra emre wo sa ensem no ho no ene sen ne ahweyi e wo se yeye e wo sa ne ma no
me that's it. I think we spoke about the fact that there are in Ghana that prohibits those stuff. Sorry, your time. I think you do come. You do come. You say, Ghana hano.
Emra was hard.
Emra, I prohibit it. So basically, that sort of offense information, you know. It's a constitution, you know. Article 18. Yeah, hello.
Me patriote you, Yatunka.
Yes, a constitution, article 18. That you mean, sir, privacy is guaranteed under the constitution. Privacy is guaranteed under the constitution. And yes, also share Electronic Communications Act, and Cyber Security Act, and Criminal Offences Act. That's the meaning, sir. Obagana, and yet, that area, no, any area, and maybe you have government. They are maybe a protected via privacy. Now, even recently, Campona, a Cyber Security Authority. So that's like a Cyber Security Authority, and that was created by the Cyber Security Act. So look at it, and not only down. If any authority, those sort of cyber crimes, you know, can be reported to them, and they have been given the power to investigate. So this internet matter now. Laws on crime now. They were made in the 60s. But the Constitution in particular, and our offense and Cyber Security Act,
Act 2020.
That is it. And I'm not clear as to those sort of cyber and other internet crimes, you know, that are committed. So those are crimes. Say quota a crime. Say because of cyber security language now. Or say what's spread content indecent.
Indecent content. To say a bit to say me person me chima machiv indecent say bia oba bi wo ana bema bo nu awro no ho na no guso.
That is it. And I also can say what could you do about the jada ho no twa because of the accident no twa. These are indecent. And it's all publisher. It causes distress. It creates distress to others. Obo o sha I want to we are in post animal so. The general I want to be. So ni nyina no na law no postcard but the law no aka say if you spread the content of that nature now you will be liable for prosecution.
Unya bi na wo to mane etugu mframa mu a emra ne tia.
That is and one thing is that if you are no you are on aspect of say incoherent I need to say it's a conspiracy attempt. Oh, the idea. What boy? I'm adding a coaching. You are supposedly guilty as the originator of the information in the first place.
Okay, and say Bibi said the can the ordema wono anywhere wons unya ya wo boama e call ye say wo de ma obi nso no wons waso so ntie no ka ho bi.
Yes. Yes, certainly. Because we say what we are better. What boama crime na dey.
Akoso.
But I say what because for you know the originator require if I say few people and okay and it was supposed to. But because of what contributory spreading, you are equally liable. And yes, also I think that is also boss said. So recording without the notice. Who will be consent and some are recording. It's good for our camera. You said just recording someone without only a chrono, the consent. Wrong. That one should equally breaches Article 18.
And will you phone the record will be a emanitia
without the consent?
Okay, yeah.
The person's consent.
Okay, I'm funny say. Mijina honomo daddy lumba twa manage daddy lumba ho na adwene ni so about the fact say we famous we star intima yi me phone
no dey emranitia because the person in public space
okay into obi a we public figure ne dey emranitia
even private person once you in the public space you're in the public space whereby the privacy is not endangered. You get it? Oh, public space.
You learn
public space there.
Learn, mommy, and to some me say me a private person. But again, ebi obi free say wo Facebook Opemsuo na ba me ginon mana obi twa picture. Na me bisa ansa den no so bisa so ni Kofi boy na me say na ene Abraham ntwai. But I just gave consent so wo twa me nim de ene Abraham ntwa ni ye. But me a private me a public figure enti no e hono mo no so e be kan sen
unse a web of both a web of both civil and criminal connotation unse you say the obi o ha the image the image no it has been paid for somebody should have been paid for you know the image right
image you are footballers see.
You look at the footballers in ground. You can monetize your image.
And okay.
You can monetize your image.
Because if you know a product icon, my product be.
That is it. That is it. And also be a say you can profit from your image. And for that matter, what you can say no give publishing with the part for no pay. You get it. And I say usually a footballers in one any practice there we should do a wedding the wedding I say no beer in picture wedding I say
nama one
abi I say magazine I intend to contract say wedding you for me na as soon as you pay and all the right to publish them you know that I don't know you must give proper notice of it but that is you must give proper notice of it. And I say the own about in the child picture. I want my phone so if I put it online, that's the reason why you can draw my attention to pull it down.
Okay.
You can draw my attention to pull it down. But that again. But if they take you picture alone, you don't take it. Well, add the extra work to it to produce artistic work. But that is it. I don't know that you have to copyright it. Copyrighted.
You know me pa. Yem fan say obi atwa me picture, okay? We try no one can chen me say bi odia to Facebook. Make me reach out to the person say no me picture no pulling it down.
You should pull it down.
Me ninje ho. Me can one dey make me see you no.
So one can one play so then you write formally to the owner of the platform.
Okay.
But that is here from the Facebook.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Yes, that's Meta. You inform Meta that you have seen this particular image. You get it?
Okay.
and you don't want it there. Okay. There was some small complications with that.
Yeah.
Especially where the picture was taken. Where the picture was taken. Usually, if it is taken, and I'm not saying that there is no exception to that. I'm saying that usually, when pictures are taken in public, and whereby your privacy, like in quotes, has not been breached. Those ones in there, you can add 1 or 2 things to it to make it work. Because I remember this basketball player, it's very popular. Or James, something.
Aye.
James.
LeBron James.
LeBron James. Somebody obi the phone. Let's take the picture.
Opemsuo.
And picture near the face. And I'm supposed to the social media platform. What are going to take picture and see?
Because or the bibiaka home.
We'll take a picture no up polishing the kaka. And no afa anything. But when you give me content, we only do.
Yansha polishing at what level a constitute say there's been an addition or modification whatsoever to it and I am image, but then again it wouldn't be mine.
No, one. We'll take him in public.
Okay.
In public. Not in the private space, in public.
Okay.
And that medium, then for instance, I'm celebrating in particular. Once you're celebrating, you profit from the public followership. You know, you profit from it. For instance, because you are celebrating, the reason you are celebrating is the fact that your life is lived in public. And you earn your living from public. That's why you're celebrating.
Okay.
You get it? Because if me and my celebrating simply because I don't know how to put it. Before you can say you're celebrating, it means a community of followership.
Yeah. Now, who the own count cry? I was afraid to pack a crowd followers now.
That is it. Once you have a community, you are profiting from the community. So the community is entitled to equally what? Take pictures of you.
Okay.
Equally within that community, that's it. But not in your private space. You get it?
Exactly.
Not in your private space.
One more fear metted baby surprise being a try.
Okay. That is public. It's public. But however, if you don't want any pictures for it to be taken in public, you can sound caution. However, the most important thing is that the most important thing is that when you see it, you can take measures for it to be what? Cool down.
Okay.
Especially where the motive for the taking motive, no, another intention of taking it, it's not anything diabolic. You get it? It's not anything diabolic or meant to affect your another to delegate you. Say that you need to go to keep picture in a particular position to make public credible of you. You get it?
What you want to picture be Wuhrama, what you requires Anomano, not Uchow.
So, and so we are good work at that. We are a picture going to keep, especially why is people doing in a particular way.
And that's why
what's so far
or double bedroom.
And that's also for what group the function of a sort. You're about the quantity to the you take a picture of it. So you're invading the privacy.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
And don't want to miss the fact that the person is vulnerable. The person has been involved in accident. The person has been involved in accident. Then you are taking a picture of the vulnerability and that's it.
Yeah.
That one, the law abhors it. The law abhors it. That one, not in Manichikra. And I'm going to say something there. That especially Cyber Security Act in 2020. Any the Cyber Security Authority. A specialized body, their power to investigate these things. But the most important thing is that usually when you see these things, don't just go and report it. Take evidence of it. But already. And when they determine whether indeed the old canon or what they know.
Take for copy, I would be evidence.
That is it. That's the most important thing.
because who report na me ba no pulia
ya delete adaze ya delete adeno be get it. So evidence taking is very important. Very, very, very important. And most importantly, like I said about it, to say, before you spread, ask the basic question. I am near, say near, not forward it. Let me try me forward it. Let forward it. Yes, all your phones are.
No, sure.
Because Anna said, it's a panipedia. Unia bird, Anna, Okuya, sir, along some Nakotun or Pound. Oh, Unia bow. We try that international. We do that. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So beyond Mrano, it's about young conscience.
Yeah, fire adrenaline. Yeah, adrenaline tone.
That is it. That is it because I'm ready. Say, I'm not
any person, Tom Radi. One was what do I do?
What do I do?